Two best-selling robot vacuum mop combos, the Ecovacs T30S and the Shark PowerDetect NeverTouch Pro. But which one is the best? I'm a mom of 6 kids and 1 dog, so I really understand messes. It's hard for me to keep up with my floors with all of them constantly tracking in mud, spilling food, and shedding. So I bought both of these robot vacuum mop combos to see which one could handle our crazy house best. Let me show you them side by side so you can decide if one of them is right for you. First up, let's look at navigation. Both of these robots create detailed maps and navigate pretty well, but the T30S can show you moment by moment where it is and what it's working on. And while the Shark can miss a spot or two, the T30S has very precise navigation, making certain it never misses anything. Now, which one of these vacuums has the best suction? They're both impressive, picking up pretty much everything in their paths. The only difference I notice between their capabilities is that the T30S can occasionally flip a crumb off to the side, while the Shark really grabs every single thing in front of it. But since the Shark sometimes misses an edge here or there, suction comes out about equal for me. The tables turn when it comes to mopping though. The T30S has an extremely impressive mop. It gets right up to the edges and around corners like a pro, and pushes down with enough pressure to handle nearly all messes. The Shark tends to miss edges, doesn't have enough pressure to handle stuck-on messes, and its single mop pad just isn't as effective as the T30's 2 spinning mops. But here's where the Shark starts to look a little more tempting. Its all-in-one station is almost half the size of the huge T30S station, and it seems to be quite a bit more efficient with its water use, requiring fewer clean water refills and dirty water empties than the Ecovacs station, even though the T30S station has much bigger water reservoirs. The Shark station also has a special odor neutralizer to counteract the stinky mop. But unlike the T30S, which uses heated air to dry the mops and gets them really nice and dry every time, the Shark doesn't do a great job of drying its mop fully, which may be why it needs the odor neutralizer. The T30S is surprisingly nice smelling even after months of doing all the mop cleaning and drying on its own. The apps are pretty different, with the Shark app focused on simplicity, but without almost any customization, and the Ecovacs with tons of customization options, while still somehow being easier to navigate than the Shark app. The Shark claims it will automatically detect if it needs a change in cleaning levels, and I think it does with tougher vacuuming spots, but it didn't increase the water level for harder mopping spots or go over really dirty floors twice, which are settings available on the T30S. The Ecovacs app customization allows the T30S all the tools it needs to do a more thorough clean. But here are a few other considerations. When the Shark is transitioning from hard floor to carpet, it lifts up the entire back side, keeping the dirty mop pad far away from your clean carpet. The T30S just lifts the mop pads half an inch, which is plenty once it's solidly on carpet, but can result in a tiny bit of wet carpet right along the transition from hard floor. Because of its superior obstacle avoidance, the T30S is a little more finicky about where it's willing to go. For instance, it won't venture under my sofa because some of the liner hangs down just a little bit. The Shark forges ahead even in tight spots. The Shark also has something called Never Stuck technology, which keeps it from getting trapped and stuck like virtually every other robot vacuum, including the T30S, does from time to time. This is a really cool feature, and I definitely appreciate that I don't have to rescue it when it gets stuck. So here's my recommendation. If you want a really smart robot with excellent mopping, navigation, a really functional, easy-to-use app, I'd choose the Ecovacs Deebot T30S. But if you'd prefer a robot with an excellent vacuum that never gets stuck and has a compact station, the Shark is pretty darn impressive. I really like both of them, but if I had to choose just one, I'd go with the T30S, because with a house full of kids, I really do appreciate its excellent mopping and quiet operation. But whichever you choose, you'll be in for a whole lot less hands-on cleaning. I'll put links in the description below if you want to have a closer look at either of these. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more home product reviews.